done, gear lever, new gear lever, yeah?
Yep.
Or the original gear lever, but instead of having your normal gate, it's just backwards and forwards. So every time I ever want to change gear, you pull your notch up, yeah?
Yeah.
Feel it go in one, click down. So you've got park, reverse, neutral, drive. And if you want to go into low, just click it down and that will stay in low. Okay?
So you have to pull the lever up every time?
You have to pull it up every time. You can't get it in and out of gear. Ignition on, it won't start at all unless it's in park. I put it back into park and it will start. But obviously once it's running, you're fine, you just put it in the gear. But it won't start, it'll only start in park. So that's that. Choke as per usual, that's just normal. The radiator is so big in it, it was getting hot enough, but the thermostat isn't opening. So I've taken the thermostat out and put a reducer plate in it. So it will just take a little bit longer to warm up, but it's fine. So that's all good. Got the fuel gauge working, but I wouldn't let it drop under a quarter of a tank.
Okay.
Because I'm not sure how accurate it is, but it does work. That's it really. Left the clutch pedal in so it looks normal, but that doesn't do anything, so just throttle brake. And again, park, reverse, neutral, drive, which is all you'll need. If you want to run it in all the low gears and everything, then you just lock your front in, pull it into low, whack it straight down there, and that'll flat out will probably do about 10 mile an hour. Literally. So
up anywhere though?
Yeah, it'll climb up the side of a house, but
just slowly.
Slowly, yeah. That's it really. Obviously done the engine change. I've driven it around a few times over the speed humps. There's no banging on the back, you know, when we did all the welding. So that seems to have cured that. That's it really. So I need to take it for a road test and ready to rock and roll.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Next week on the workshop.
That's not going to work. So all that bullshit about needing the valves to check them and all the collets and everything.
Yeah.
What? Well, you can't get that fucking spring in there, can you? They should be that way. Springs go like that. And I'm not pushing them out because they'll break. So that's down to them.
Yeah. Well, it's a complete fuck up anyway. That should have been done. It's fucking blatantly obvious, isn't it? I'll give him a good punting.
Technical term.
That's a technical term, mate.